it feels very nice when people come to see or to have a feel of success. When we were starting this project back in 2013, that we didn't know that at some point people would like to come and experience what we have, how we achieved our success. Because all this, what they have said, have led to the establishment of a very nice repository which is performing very well with over 80,000 items. 8,000 items, yes, and the URL is erepository.unbi.ac.ke, and you can find it through our university website. And you learn onto this page, and if you add those numbers, for sure I'm not lying, they'll add up to 80,000, something above 85,000. Okay? So, apart from this repository, when the Maranga, you know, in Kenya, we have an habit of associating names with projects. Like even the Constitution, we call it after a certain name of a person. So this digital health repository, we are about to call it Maranga repository. Because before we came up with the idea, we discussed it with him, and then I was like, why should we have a digital health repository yet we have another repository? Then after doing some sort of research, I realized that there are two types of repositories. There is the institutional repository, and we have subject repositories. And the main purpose of a subject repository is, like, for example, lawyers and maybe doctors, there are some needs they have. There's a way they want their repository to look like. Okay? So if you lump them together with humanities and others, they might not really get what they want. And that is actually, I read about it, that's one of the major reason why we have subject repositories. And the difference between subject repositories and institutional repositories is that the institutional repository belongs to just an institution. But the subject repository can have content from different places focusing on that subject.